Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of these two hides in hand, a pair of mitts and a hat. Hides in hand is located right here in Ontario, Rockwood, Ontario. It was hard to find, real fur items at a place I'd been recommended, so decided to take the jump and order something. Let's have a look. There wasn't really a lot of reviews online or anything, so thought this would be good if you're considering this kind of purchase. So there's the bag that it comes in. Okay, there's both of them. That's the gloves there. I can just tell from the lumberjack print, and there's the hat. Okay. We'll just try to be careful here, just how we open it. Ooh, very nice. Okay, they look pretty good. So here's the gloves, here's the liner. So you can see the liner, that looks pretty good. So these are the Lumberjack mitts in large. There's the L there. You can't see it. Made here in Ontario. Deerskin and moose-hide leathers originates from local hunters and are tanned at a local tannery here in Ontario. They are not farm raised. Their natural habitat creates the unique lines, scratches, and markings, which in turn creates a one-of-a-kind look to each handcrafted item. We do not buff out the natural scars of the hide. So each of these is going to look a little bit different, basically, is what they're saying. So we got a little leather cord here. Maybe I'll just... oh, and look at this. A rocket. Amazing. A rocket. Very nice. So I'm just going to try them on, kind of dry fit here. Wow. That's quite warm. So there we go. We're going to just show that like this. Okay. Yeah, no, I was really struggling with the minis, so I think these will be quite nice. Yeah, kind of doesn't smell anything. Congratulations, you're now wearing a handmade, crafted in Canada pair of genuine deerskin or moose-hide leather mittens. These mittens will offer you superior warmth as they have been tested to -35. The liners are removable, replaceable, and machine washable, and the outer shells can be hand washed in cool water or left to air dry. So yeah, I plan on putting a little bit of leather protector on this, and that should buff it up pretty good. But yeah, I'm excited. And there we go. We have the hides in hand. Not sure if you can see that hides in hand. Very nice. The moose with the moose drawing. So that's in the lumberjack. Matches the shacket that I wear when I go to the stable. Here's the other item. So this is actually, oh, that looks actually very nice. So this is raccoon fur. Yeah, raccoon fur in the bomber style jacket, or hat, I should say. Oh, okay, there's several buttons here. And yes, I was told you can actually wear this two different ways over the top, but I don't really, oh yeah, here we go. You could actually do this over the top like this. We're just gonna try it out like that just for fun, because we don't need to. There's some plastic there. Oh, yes. Mother Asha would be happy with this hat. Yes, what you think? Yeah, no, that's incredibly warm. That is incredibly warm. And we'll just take it down here. Wow. Yeah, that looks cool. I like that. That looks pretty cool. Okay, that's just with the one button, but let's just show it like this. Hey, everyone. So yeah, there's the inside of it. It just come from my head there. So, but yeah, that's really warm. Once again, no product tags to go along with it. But that is a really nice looking hat. So I'm happy with both of these together with shipping. So these were 120. This was 200. So with shipping and taxes, it was 375. Not cheap, but it's real leather and fur. So I would recommend, if you guys are looking for some handmade items, with real fur, give these guys a try. I'm certainly very happy with it. A little bit pricey, but I mean, this is just the handcrafted process that goes into this. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment if you have constructive comments and positive comments, I hope, and subscribe. Thanks all for your support, and thanks for watching today.